Hello everyone, this is a 2021 Honda Accord Sport with the optional 2.0T engine under the hood. It's a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 252 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, which is sent to the front wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission. Today we're up here in the California mountain roads to give this thing a POV drive with 3D audio. So let's hop in and get going. All right, now let's kind of get everything set up here. All right, what do we think about this angle? The light's a little bit harsh right now. Don't worry, it'll level out in a second here. All right. Unfortunately, Honda has finally dumped the manual transmission in the Accord, so you can no longer get a manual Accord with any engine option. Originally, this was kind of the one to get, the 2.0T with a 6-speed stick, but now we have the 10-speed auto, for better or for worse. Granted, I'm sure they sold approximately 7 of these things with a stick, so it's not surprising, but still a bit of a bummer. Oh well, let's try and enjoy ourselves. I will put it in sport mode, so it's on sport. I'm gonna turn traction control off because it's very invasive, especially when the turbo comes on boost. Make sure our music is off so I don't get demonetized. AC off for maximum power. All right, let's go for a drive. Traffic is kind of miserable today, so we're just going to do our best. Not a great start. Let's see if we can get past this guy who wants to go 30 in a 45 zone. Any year now. All right, cool. Unfortunately, lower crest is going to have a lot of traffic today. It's a holiday. But we'll see what we can do. Cyclists too. Now I'm curious, I have no idea, does this thing sound good? What do you guys think? It's actually a little bit quieter than I thought. I might have to turn up the gain on this microphone. That's a little better. Well, at least the guy in the M4 in front of me kind of gets the picture. Unfortunately, we are hitting a bunch of traffic. Now this is a bit of insider trading. On all these cool canyon videos you see of any YouTuber driving a car, we have to edit out all the traffic because it is brutal up here. A lot of people, like this guy in a Ford Flex going 25 in a 45 zone. Also, let me know, do you want me to edit this out or you want to like see it raw as it happens? Because this is kind of real life with the canyons. It's kind of like work your way through traffic to find a good clearing and then you kind of get the money shots. Traffic. Man, even in sport mode, this transmission does not like the downshift. Upshifts are okay, but look at that. It just like slips all the way down. It's like not sporty at all. We all need to like get the memo and pass this motherfucker. Go, 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 go. Oh man, a bunch of slow cars. Well, at least we're going the speed limit now. That's something. How's my camera angle? Is it a little low? Alright, hopefully this is a little bit more entertaining. And hopefully this guy gets out of my way. Hopefully this is slightly more entertaining. Man, that transmission is a real buzzkill. Upshifts are just whatever, fine, but man, downshifts are oof. Okay, I guess we're just going 20 miles an hour. The fuck? Alright, hopefully this piece of junk can get us past. Dude, this is unreal. What are you doing? You're not even going half the speed limit. Of course, there's nowhere to pass for a long time. I usually do not condone passing on double yellows, but when when it is super open like that and someone is literally going half the speed limit is going to get you rear-ended, you got to do what you got to do, unfortunately. Man, this thing really is just sport in name only. It doesn't really like to do anything that sporty. It's fine. No one's gonna drive an Accord this hard ever, so I mean. Getting a teeny vibration through the brake pedal. I can't be melting the brake pads already, can I? It's only been a few minutes. Well, in the up and up, the temperature gauge seems rock steady, which is definitely a good thing because these K20C engines are notorious for overheating. The TLX did it, the Civic Type R did it. But thus far, the Accord seems okay. Though it is a very mild day outside. It's only 60 degrees. Trying to just hammer it in the straightaways because it's like we're here to have fun, you know, not kill anyone. My days of being a boy racer in the canyons are definitely over. Tunnel! Does that sound like anything? I haven't had the exhaust mic'd up too for this. I hope that makes some sort of noise because it's pretty quiet in here. Yeah, this thing will definitely hustle as hard as realistically anyone who's ever going to drive a Honda Accord will take it, but not exactly the most thrilling thing. I think with a 6-speed stick, like in a 2020 model, it'll probably be a lot more fun, but it is what it is. No one buys manuals anymore. 10-speed is just fine for commuting. That's kind of it. Engine's okay. Man, I shouldn't be surprised, but the adaptive dampers on the Touring model, if you can swing the price premium, woof, such a good upgrade on these cars. The chassis is good and everything, but it won't blow you away unless you get those adaptive shocks. Then it's kind of like, wow, this thing can really hustle. Alright, I think that's about all we got for this little canyon drive. Hopefully the audio is good, hopefully the video angle is good. Still working on these POV drives. Let me know what you guys like, what you don't like, what needs work on. Just kind of, yeah, sound off in the comments. Oh yeah, and if you haven't already, I'll have a link in the top pinned comment and in the description to watch the actual review on this video, because it's a little bit more informative, obviously, than me just driving and rambling a little bit in this video. All right, guys, as always, my name is Jay. Keep watching Drive, Break, Fix, Repeat, and I'll see you guys next time, or I go do more fun things with cars. Bye!